Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's check this 6414A MOSFET. 6414A MOSFET datasheet. Its number is AON6414A, 30 volt N channel MOSFET, 30 volt 30 ampere. Pin number 1, 2, 3 source pin, gate 5, 6, 7, 8 drain pins, and there is peristic diode, body diode from source to drain. Set multimeter to diode. Pin 1, 2, 3 source pin, and this is gate. Red lead at source pin, black lead at drain, 1 diode. Same way check this MOSFET, red lead at source and black lead at drain, 1 diode. Reverse the leads. It is open circuit. In this MOSFET it is also open circuit. This is now good indication. Now I will take 3.7 volt battery cell. I will connect black lead at negative terminal, and this crocodile clip we will connect to this multimeter negative side. This is multimeter probe and this is battery negative terminal. At 3.7 volt battery positive terminal I connected 330 ohm resistor, and resistor is connected to this test lead. Battery negative terminal here, multimeter black lead, and battery negative terminal will go to source pin, and multimeter red probe will go to drain. Now I have this test signal. I will touch to gate and we will see the multimeter. The MOSFET turned on. This MOSFET is good. When I disconnected the signal, the MOSFET returned back to normal. So this MOSFET is good. Let's check this one as well. The same N channel MOSFET. 1.93 volt. It is open circuit. Maybe this voltage reading from parallel circuit. Now we will touch this signal, 3.7 volt signal, to the gate. MOSFET is on. MOSFET on, MOSFET off. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.